Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing review. I'm checking out this Black Shark computer speaker, or you can hook it up with Bluetooth or a wired connection. It has like a pretty sweet RGB lighting here. All right, so we got our little instruction booklet, our connection cable, and there we go. There's a little cloth to wipe it off with. That's cool. This thing looks pretty burly. All right. Is there no opening to the bag? Oh, there we go. Now we have an opening. Whew. Check that out. That looks pretty sweet. Let's pull this off, shall we? This will be... Well, that didn't come off, did it? So this whole plastic face is like a... That's one of those things. It should be, oh my, super satisfying. Is it like, why they put this plastic on there? Does it really help? I'm gonna have to take off the speakers to keep those under there. All right, that's a little bit better. No, don't tear. That's super smooth looking now. All right. Got it out of there. My goodness, check that out. That looks pretty cool. I think it has an internal battery, does it? Let's see. See if we can power it up without plugging it in here. Perhaps not an internal battery. That's okay. Because you can use it with Bluetooth, right? 10 watts of power. Yeah, 10 watts should be pretty cool. All right, let's plug this in. I got my computer right here, so I can either use this for my computer speakers or hook up that. So a nice long cable, about 5 feet long. Let's plug this into the back here, bada bing, and plug it into my PC right here. Bada boom. There we go. All right.
PC mode.
PC mode. That looks actually really cool.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. I hit the power button. All right, let's see what we got here. Hit the power button to switch to Bluetooth mode. I'll fire up my, find it on Bluetooth. All right, what are we looking for? So much stuff on my Bluetooth, guys. It'll be a second here. Scanning for, okay, Black Shark SP1 is the thing. We're pairing. Pair up. Okay, now I want to make 2 devices connected for audio. Well, let's see. If I place something on here, I don't want it to... Not Amazon Alexa, I want Amazon Music. And what is a song I can play that's not going to get me? Moonlight Sonata. All right, I'll find the Moonlight Sonata. That should be Moonlight Sonata, not copyrighted. See the lights. Got nice breathing lights there, that's cool. Oh, we got different modes here. Got plus. Skipped. I held down, skipped. So pretty good sound quality actually. Like kind of how it looks. We got the breathing lights on there. Definitely better than the speakers I got now on my PC. So if my son doesn't want it, I'll be taking this thing. It looks cool too. Nice sound quality. All right, short press to switch modes, long press between charge modes. Short press to switch modes. How do you turn the volume up? Okay, when it chirps, that's as high as it goes. Okay, there we go. So volume up and down. Sweet. Previous, next, switch that. Beautiful. All right, guys, well, a sweet little speaker here, actually. I think it looks really cool. Oh, actually putting out some good, can't really hear the bass on this. Not a lot of bass in classical music. I like the RGB lighting, definitely cool. And I could just use this as my PC speakers, which I'd probably wind up doing. My other ones, one side stopped working, so that's not cool. So if I unplug this, I don't think it has an internal battery. No, it doesn't. But all in all, guys, pretty cool looking little speaker here for sure. You want to jazz up your desktop, give it some more RGB flair. I got an RGB mouse, RGB mouse pad, RGB keyboard. Might as well do an RGB speaker. Excellent sound quality and just a pretty cool little speaker. You could take this to the beach with you, have a little portable like power pack you can plug this into, have some decently loud music there or whatever. So pretty cool little speaker here, my friends. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day and I'll see you next time.